like, people make so much noise in the movies, but it's really not a big thing. Like, you can totally be quiet during it. But was it amazing, though? You know, I wanted it so badly. But then, when it happened, I found that, I just really like dry humping much more. You're not the virgin. I know. Man, I can't wait for State Fair.
I know!
Log ride!
Yes!
Oh, shit.
What?
I'm not gonna be here this summer. Like, all summer, basically. Why not?
My dad, my real dad, he resurfaced in Yellowstone and he asked me to be there in the summer before I start SIC.
Oh.
Okay.
You know, I'm not going anywhere to college, and it seems to be a good opportunity.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna miss the fuck out of you. Well, I probably won't get in, so I just go to Davis and then I'll see you every day. Yeah.